Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Walgreens and we are here to do some deals for the week of the 5th through the 11th of June. I have some digital boosters that I'm going to use. I'm going to be doing 2 transactions with a spend 20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash and hopefully building that up. And I'm also going to be using a spend 22, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. I also have one paper booster that is expired. Now my store does take them up to a few days past expiration date. They'll scan, but I might be just a hair past it. Because what I did last week is I filmed on Sunday, and I normally film on Tuesdays, so the boosters I got on Sunday may not work today. But we'll see what happens in the store. But that's really all, guys. We're going to just see if stuff is going to still double dip. I know things were double dipping yesterday. But if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sarah, and I like to show you how to save money any way that I can. There is a Google Doc linked down below in the description box to help you plan your trip or to help you out when you are in the store. But yeah, guys, let's go inside and see what we can do. So the first deal we'll be doing is a laundry deal where you buy 2, you get back a $5 register reward, and it includes certain Downy and Gain products. So I'm grabbing the Downy scent booster that's on sale for $9.99, and then I'm going to grab a large bottle of the Gain liquid that is on sale for $10.99. It was mismarked earlier in the week, but it is corrected at $10.99. Now that is everything that you need to grab, but I'm going to grab something else that's also a P&G product. I'm going to grab the Dawn Power Wash. They are 2 for $11, and all 4 products will equal out to $31.98. So I am going to use this $2 coupon from the June P&G for the Gain, and a $2 coupon from the June P&G for the Downy. Now that may glitch with a $2 digital, but I also have this 6 off of 30 coupon that I got a few weeks back for any P&G purchase. That's why I grabbed the Dawn. That's going to bring our total down to $19.98. If you are doing this deal by itself without a spend booster, then you can pay with Walgreens cash. Then you're going to get back a $5 register reward. That'll bring your total down to $14.98 for all 4 products. Now that might seem kind of high, but we are working it in with other spend boosters to help lower the cost of these items. Now, if you've seen my Instagram stories, I did post that I did do a pickup order for certain Aleve products that were ringing up for $3.50. They were ringing up online and in store, but I just did it as a curbside pickup. Today, I seen this sign where it says that it was supposed to be for $3.50 off, not tagged or ringing up at $3.50 total. So they did fix it in store. But when I looked on the app after I saw this sign, they were still showing $3.50. But now we know why they were so cheap, because they were supposed to be $3.50 off, not $3.50. I ended up getting 3 bottles. I know other people got tons and tons, but I just took 3 bottles. Well, I paid for 3 bottles to get to my $10 mark for a curbside pickup, and that's all I got. But either way, just wanted to let you guys know what I found. Then we're going to grab the Bactine Max. It is $10.99. It is not on any type of sale. So if you have a 20% off coupon, you could use it on this. But I don't have one, so we're going to use the IVC coupon that is $2 off. And then there's also a $2 digital coupon that we can use. But we're also going to submit our receipt to Ibotta and get back $5 there as well, making it just $1.99. So that's a pretty good deal, plus it's an Ibotta rebate to help towards any bonuses, and it gets you up to your mark if you are trying to get to a higher value for any spend boosters. So next I'm going to grab some hair, skin, and nail vitamins. I don't need these to get to a certain threshold, but they're a very good deal, and my daughter loves to use these. So these are $7.79, and they're buy one, get one free. I have a $2 insert coupon. I do believe it's from the 6-5 Save insert. And then I am also going to see if the $2 digital coupon would glitch with that. If it does, then that's going to make both of these guys $3.79 for both bottles. And I think that is an incredible deal. So now we're going to do another transaction, and we're going to start off with skincare. The skincare is on promotion all month long, where you buy two, you get the third free. So I'm grabbing this Neutrogena Stubborn Texture Acne Cleanser for $14.79, and then I'm going to grab some Garnier Micellar Water for $10.29 or $10.29. I thought it was $10.99. And then we're going to grab our free item, which is going to be some Cetaphil cleanser for $9.79. So for the three items, it's going to equal out to $25.08. We have some printable coupons for the Neutrogena. There's a $3 off printable and a $2 printable for the micellar water. Now I also have $3 digital coupons, a $3 digital coupon for the Neutrogena, and a $3 digital for the micellar water. If those all come off, then the total will equal out to $14.08. Then I'm going to submit my receipt to Ibotta, and I'm going to get back $4 for the Neutrogena Stubborn Texture, Stubborn Texture Cleanser, making all three items just $10.08. So it's actually like buying one and getting two for free. So I'm definitely happy with that deal. Next, we're going to get some Dove Men's Body Wash and Bar Soap. They're only buy one, get one 50% off this week, but I think this is going to be a pretty decent deal. So I'm going to grab the bar soap for $9.79 and then the body wash for $7.99, which will be 50% off. So that would be $3.99. So both of these will equal out to $13.78. We do have some insert coupons. I have these $2 off coupons that I can use on each one of these from the 6-5 Save insert. I also have a dollar digital that I don't know if it'll glitch or not. If it does, that'll bring my total down to $8.78. But then I'm going to submit my receipt to Shopkick. Now there is a Shopkick offer for the Dove Men's Body Wash, but it has to be that blue one. And I will get back 700 buy kicks and 50 scan kicks, which equals out to $3. And I also have a Shopkick offer for the Dove Men's Bar Soap. It has to be the extra fresh scent. Same thing with the body wash, 700 buy kicks and 50 scan kicks. That equals out to exactly $3. So I will be getting back $6 from Shopkick. So that would make my total for both items just $2.78, and I think that is an incredible deal, especially for the bar soap alone, because that's almost $10. So next we're going to do the Chic promotion. The Chic promotion this month is spend $20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash, and you will see that on this one tag right here where it says it is good until June 25th. Now the tag on top of it says the price is for $8.99 and the sale price or the deal is good until June 11th. So what that means is that the sale price is good for this week only, but the promotion for spend $20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash is good for all month long. So that is probably why a lot of people are doing the deal this week, because everything is on sale for either $8.99 or $5.99. So we're going to start off with grabbing some Chic men's razors, and I'm going to grab the Titanium Quattro or the Quattro Titanium razor for $8.99. And then I am going to also go down the aisle, and I'm going to grab a women's Hydro Silk 5. Oh my gosh, I can't talk today. Hydro Silk 5 razor also for $8.99, and I'm also going to grab a Skintimate disposable razor for $5.99. Now these three products will equal out to $23.97. I'm going to be using some printable coupons. They are the $4 printable coupons, and I remembered I accidentally had a Cetaphil coupon on here in case that was going to be more expensive than the micellar water. But anyways, we're going to use the printable coupons for each one of these, and they are $4 off. Now I also have digitals as well for each version of the printable. I am seeing if I will get the glitch on these. But I also have $4.50 off only for you coupons. Now in the past, only for you coupons have come off before your other coupons. So we'll see which ones will come off. Now, one of these coupons most likely will not come off because we only have $23.97 worth of product here. And if all of those coupons glitch, that would be $24 worth. And so that most likely will not happen. So those coupons should bring our total down to $3.97, but we'll get back $5 in Walgreens cash, making it a $103 moneymaker. So that is everything that I am grabbing for my spend 20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. I have built my transaction up so that I can pay with Walgreens cash. So let's go out to the vehicle and see how everything went. All right, guys, so we are back in from Walgreens, and there was a few little issues, I'm not gonna lie, and I'll go over them when I get to them. But my first transaction that I'm gonna go over went really, really well. Super, you know, it couldn't have been better. So with that transaction, I had the hair, skin, and nail vitamins. I had the Gain, the Downy, and the Dawn, and the Bactine. Or the Back, I think that's how you say it. So I did have a spend booster of spend 40, get back $9 of Walgreens cash. That was a paper booster that I used. And then I had that paper coupon that was $6 when you spend $30. I got that a few weeks ago. I wanted to use it this week because I don't know if I'm going to be able to use it next week. I had a $2 paper coupon as well for the Downy Unstoppables come off. And it looks like this is a $5 register reward because I did hand over a $5 register reward. I had a $2 paper coupon for the hair, skin, and nails. That came off fine. And then my $2 Gain coupon also come off. And then I had 3 $2 digital coupons come off as well. So I know I had a $2 one for the Bactine. I know I had a $2 one for the Bounty. And a $2 for the hair, skin, and nails is what come off. And then my $2 IBC coupon for the Bactine also come off as well. But that's up higher on the receipt. So that brought my total down to $26.76. I got back $14 in Walgreens cash. I also got my $5 register reward for the P&G products. So that makes me super happy when those work. And then I got back $5 on Ibotta for the Bactine. So that makes that transaction just $2.72. And I think that is an amazing deal for any one of those products. Any one of those products I would gladly pay $2.76 for. Maybe not the Bactine because I don't think I will use it. I think I will give it to somebody who will. But it is for wounds too, so maybe I will keep it to see what we can use it for. You know what I mean? So for the next transaction, this was the one that had some issues. Now, I'm not talking about if things glitched or not, because there was a few things that didn't work the way I thought it would. One item, it didn't, the coupon didn't glitch, and that's totally fine. Glitches, of course, are never guarantees. And yeah, we just don't know what's going to happen. And as a lot of times it's like that with regular couponing, you know what I mean? Not regular couponing, but you know what I mean? When we don't have glitches or things acting funky, you know what I mean? We still sometimes just don't know what's going to happen. Now for this transaction, I got back the $5 for spending $20 with my spend booster, but I didn't get the $5 back with the Schick and the Skintimate. Now I got on the chat here in my car. I was like, right away, I was like, okay, can you please tell me what I got the Walgreens cash for? And they told me it was for my booster. It wasn't for the Schick. And I said, well, with the Schick, I got because I have an $8.99, an $8.99, and a $5.99. So she was looking at my account and she's seen that, yes, I did buy those 3 razors, and she gave me the $5 in Walgreens cash because I had well over the amount in coupons in order to use Walgreens cash. I had $31 in coupons. I only needed to spend $20, and coupons works as cash in their system. So in Walgreens Mind, is how I like to refer it, in Walgreens Mind, I've already spent $31. So they'll give me back the Walgreens cash. So let's look at the coupons here. And the first one is Dove Men's, and that is a paper coupon, and that is for $2. Then the next one is just a paper coupon for $3, but I didn't have any registered rewards or anything like that. So that one would be for the Neutrogena, the stubborn acne. Then I have a paper coupon for the Schick Hydro Silk, and then I have a paper coupon for the Garnier micellar water, and then I have a $4 paper coupon for the Schick Skintimate razors. Now, here are the digital coupons that I used, and what I do is I go into the app, and you have coupons, and you're going through the actual coupons that you have on your card. There's another tab that says redeemed, and if you go there on your app, it'll tell you what coupons you have redeemed recently, and it'll tell you the date that they were redeemed. So on my account, I have a $4 coupon for the Skintimate razor and a $4 coupon for the Hydro Silk. I don't have a $4 coupon for the men's Skintimate razor. Then I have a $3 coupon for the Neutrogena Stubborn Acne, a $3 coupon for the micellar water, and then a $1 coupon for the Dove body wash. So what happened is when she scanned my Dove coupon, the one didn't work. It just wouldn't work. And it could be because it was a Unilever coupon, but we just don't know. So that brought my total down to $23.84. I got back $10 in Walgreens cash, $5 for my booster, and then $5 for the Schick. I didn't have any paper spend boosters. Then I'll get back $3 on Shop.with for each one of the Dove men's items. 700 buy kicks and 50 scan kicks. So make sure you scan the scan kicks in store or out in the parking lot, because that's 50 scan kicks. That's a good amount. And then I'll get back $4 on Ibotta for the Neutrogena Stubborn Acne Cleanser. So that'll bring my total down for that transaction down to $3.74. So I am very, very happy with that. It's not a problem. You know what I mean? I figured that the Dove might give me a problem because it's a Unilever coupon, and some cashiers are cool with scanning an item and scanning a coupon. Some cashiers look at you like you're crazy. It just depends on the day and the cashier. So what does that make my total for everything? Well, it wasn't a moneymaker, but you know what? I got a giant bottle of Gain. I got 2 things of Dawn Power Wash. Yay! I love Dawn Power Wash. It's my favorite. I got the Downy Unstoppables. I got hair, skin, and nail vitamins, which is a definite must. Me and my daughter take them. I got, what else did I get? I got some good stuff, I think. I got some good stuff. So I'm happy to pay $6 for all of these items. So I'll look at it this way. It's like I bought a Dawn Power Wash and I got everything else for free. So I am happy with that. And yeah, guys, it's all about perspective. So anyways, guys, that is really all I have. I think next week, stay tuned. I will be giving away another Walgreens gift card shortly. I'm not doing the giveaway right now, but within the next couple of weeks, I will be giving away another $50 Walgreens gift card. I've done it twice so far, and I love doing that for you guys. So I can't wait to do it again. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys. I got back $14 in Walgreens. She gave, so she was looking at my account and she's seeing that yes, I did pay for, oh my gosh, I did have a spend booster.